In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of no preview available when a file is in the owner's bin on Google Drive. This can be a little frustrating if you need quick access to a file but are met with this unexpected hurdle. Luckily, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve this. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your device nearby, as you'll need access to both throughout this process. Let's start by navigating to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and enter drive.google.com into the address bar, then hit enter. Once you're at the homepage of Google Drive, take a moment to survey your files so you're aware of the layout. This is your gateway to accessing all the files you've stored in Google Drive, and it's good to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. The first thing you need to do is identify the file that's causing the no preview available issue. Scan through your list of files or use the search functionality in the upper section of the window to pinpoint the exact file. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on the file. Sometimes a single click will suffice, but depending on your settings, you may need to double click. This action doesn't typically open the file, it merely selects it, so don't be alarmed if nothing seems to happen right away. With your file selected, the next step is crucial. You'll need to look for the download icon, which is usually represented by a downward facing arrow pointing into a horizontal line. It's commonly found towards the top right corner of the screen. Click the download icon to start downloading the file to your local device. Doing this allows you to access and view your file outside of Google Drive, ensuring you have a backup of your data on your personal computer or device. Once the download process is complete, locate the file on your device to verify it's been successfully downloaded. This usually involves checking your computer's downloads folder or the default location where your browser saves downloaded files. From here, you can attempt to open the file using the appropriate software depending on its type. This step is crucial because it confirms you have local access to content you couldn't preview online. If these steps have resolved your issue, you're all set. Moving forward, remember that if you delete files from your drive, they go to the trash, which might temporarily hinder your ability to preview them. It's good practice to regularly manage your Google Drive bin, ensuring it doesn't clutter the space and that important files aren't accidentally sent there. That's all for this video. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it successfully resolves your issue. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.